What's up, y'all? We back and we live from Lemoore, California. Say hi.
Hi. Why do you always want to do videos when my hair look crazy?
Oh, I'm not doing videos with your hair looking crazy.
Yes, you are. You do it every time.
Dang, I forgot the, oh, actually I got it in my pocket. So, we got food from here. Damn. That's backwards. I can't see it. But it's called I'll put it in.
Fugazzis?
Yeah. Fugazzis. I'll put it in the video. Never tried this place. It's like Italian cuisine.
Cuisine.
Oh, yeah. My bad. Like an Italian little restaurant. But they said, I was talking to the owner. He said he got the name from basically that, like, the name itself means like fake, phony. So people would think that he's an Italian restaurant, but instead he's like an American restaurant. So that's where he got the name from. He got like 6 different, or no, he said 20 different locations. They've been open for like 20 years, and they're all in California only. Never tried this place. We gotta try it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about that. I got the drink. So what she's about to try first is, let me get the menu. She's about to try the spicy chicken chipotle pasta. It has blackened chicken, red bell peppers, beans, fresh mango, and onions, and creamy homemade chipotle sauce on the pasta. That's what you about to have. Sounds fat.
And what are you about to have?
Look, you ready? Look, she can't wait. She over here opening everything. But I'm about to have the California bistro sandwich, thin slices of steak, pepper jack, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, bacon, red onions, and mayo on a roll. My meal was $17. Her meal was $15. So yeah, you about to try it and see what it's looking like. Small fries. Alright. Don't forget to show them. Oh yeah, put yours in there. Thumbnail time. That don't look good. Alright. The fries are a little soggy. That's because the food was sitting for a little minute. Just saying, they was a little soggy. The fries isn't bad. How you like it? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try with the ketchup.
It's a little bit spicy. The only thing they need is some seasoning.
I'm gonna try my sandwich.
By the grab.
You better add your own seasoning. This is the sandwich right here. So I'm gonna try it without the ketchup. Mm-hmm.
Is it good? You wanna try?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah, we can in a second. Hold on.
We can in a second. Hold on. Let me get a few more bites first.
It's good. It's good. I would definitely probably get it again. But it's just like I think it's probably like seasoning. Like it's missing something, like a little
something. It's missing something.
Yeah. Alright, let me try with the ketchup now.
Okay. With the seasoning, I'm gonna give it a 9. Without the seasoning, I'm gonna give it a 6. No, I'll give it a 7.
This is like a good 6, 7. Around there, like a 6.5, 7. It's passing. It just ain't like the die for. Apparently these are their 2 most popular dishes. The pasta and the sandwich.
This pasta good as fuck. They should just hire me to season it. So if y'all watching this, Fugazzis, hire me.
You know what the fries look like?
Little as fuck.
Yeah, small as hell. Damn.
It's probably because you're supposed to eat it when it's like fresh because it's more crunchy. It complements the sandwich. If you would have ate it on time and didn't make me wait so long.
I'm sorry. Alright, let's try with the fries in the burger or the sandwich.
What is this, steak?
It's like chicken. It's chicken.
That's chicken?
Yeah, it's a chicken sandwich.
Why it look like brown meat inside of it? That don't look like chicken.
Oh no, let's say that on the menu. Alright, let's say it's chicken. Okay, I get it now. With the fries inside the sandwich, definitely tastes a lot better. I think he said that too. He told me that. He was like, yeah, you know, you got fries on the side, you also put that inside the sandwich. I definitely bumped it up to like a 7.5. It definitely bumped it up because I'm about to put down. With ketchup too. Make sure you put that ketchup in there. You can have this one, and I'm gonna try that one.
I don't eat bacon. You can try it though.
Oh my god, you don't eat bacon. I'll take it out.
Trying to give me sick. That don't even look like chicken.
It don't. It looks like some type of steak or meat.
Does it taste like steak?
I mean,
What it tastes like?
it tastes like soft.
It could be pork.
It's chicken. It's dark meat chicken.
Real dark. You're so fat. Try it. It's bomb.
Will I get it again? I don't know. Probably not.
You just said that.
I thought I would. But now that I'm actually eating it,
I would definitely get it again.
I wouldn't. I'd try something different. What is this, chicken? And then the pasta right here?
You will probably don't like it because it's not super chewy.
That pasta's good.
I know. I'm not trading with you.
So what are we rating this?
I fuck with it. I feel like
So what's this
I feel
without
like-
the seasoning though?
a 7. Because it tastes like noodles, like plain. But like when you add that little seasoning, because it tastes like spicy but like plain. But like with that seasoning,
I think
I feel like
I give my like, yeah, like I give it a 6. I probably wouldn't get it again, but if I would like, if that's the only thing I had to eat, I definitely would eat it again.
At first you said a 7, then 7.5 now.
Hey, I said it was a 7 when you put the fries in there. So now in total, I'm gonna give it a 6 though, because like I shouldn't have to do that. Well, you know what I'm saying? It should just come like
that's
that.
why they gave you the fries on the side. They was fresh. So when you put it on a sandwich, if you would have put it in the middle of the sandwich before, they wouldn't have been fresh when you got them. They would have been soggy.
Alright, I give it a 7 then. Is that what I said the first time?
Just eat your food.
Is that what I said the first time? I give it a 7. But yeah, make sure y'all look. She crushed it. She busting down that. She busting it down. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.